Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The United States Patent and Trademark Office has granted official trademark approvals to Tropical Battery Company Limited. According to the company, the approvals enable the company to sell Tropical branded products directly on Amazon's U.S. platform. In a notice on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website on Thursday, January 23, 2025, the company states that this development represents a strategic step in bringing Tropical Battery's trusted and innovative products to a broader audience. With the trademarks, the Jamaican company can now sell products such as solar panels, batteries, automotive oils, and coolants in the U.S. market. Mayberry Investments Limited is offering a $2.3 billion Jamaican dollar bond offer for a period of 24 months that will carry an interest rate of 10.25% per annum and will be collateralized by security charged over Mayberry's secure loan book. The secured bonds carry contractual rights to quarterly interest payments. Mayberry will use the funds to pay off $2.28 billion in maturing bonds. Ricky Davis, CEO, Jamaica International Financial Services Authority, discusses how the investment climate in Jamaica is improving with legislation to attract large international companies to the island. We share this clip from the 20th staging of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's Regional Investment and Capital Markets Conference held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. We are with Ricky Davis, someone who knows the back office of investment. So Ricky, a very simple question. What do companies need to be successful in the arena of investment from a back office perspective?
Well, in order to be successful, you have to have a good plan, good fundamentals.
Yes.
And also, it helps to be able to use vehicles that you are familiar with or that are fit for purpose for what you're doing.
And your company does what?
And so we're Jamaica International Financial Services Authority.
Yes.
And we have been, in recent times, coming up with some legislation that's going to change the landscape in Jamaica of how people do business. So with our fit-for-purpose vehicles, we're going to have different types.
Yes. And so thank you, Ricky. We're looking forward to the changes. For the trading period ending January 24, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Finance conglomerate JMMB Group Limited, 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference share with 5,982,395 units traded, represents 30.25% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,587,185 units traded, represented 18.14% of the market sales volume. Media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited with 2,229,553 units traded, accounting for 11.27% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 24, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $40.03 million purchased and US $54.66 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.27 per dollar selling the US at $157.85 and buying the US at $156.58. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.69 per transaction, with selling at $110.94 and buying at $109.25. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.94 in profit, with selling at $195.76 and buying at $193.82. For our credit report tip of the day, As a self-employed professional, visiting your banker to discuss credit worthiness is a crucial step towards building financial stability. Use this checklist to prepare for the conversation. Gather financial documents such as your business profit and loss statements and bank statements. Verify personal and business income. Show proof of consistent income through invoices or contracts. Then analyze your credit report after you obtain a free copy. Looking at building something from nothing, and we're talking about resilience and recovery in your financial life. So building financial resilience and recovery as a professional woman over the age of 45 who maybe seeks a slower pace of life with passive income involves thoughtful planning and action. Here are steps you can take. First, analyze your current income, expenses, savings, debt, and investments. Use tools like spreadsheets or financial apps to help you. Then define your specific short-term and long-term goals, like saving $100,000 or generating $5,000 monthly in passive income. Next, develop a budget that reflects your financial goals and prioritizes savings and investment over discretionary spending. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Janice Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.